Ever dream about living near the coast? You know, that fresh air,
Yeah.
a relaxed vibe, but then you look at the prices and, well, ouch. Today, we're diving into something that might just surprise you. It's about affordable coastal homes, but maybe not where you'd first think. Okay, let's unpack this. We've been looking at an article on revolveestate.com called Affordable Coastal Entry-Level Properties in Krugersdorp. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Krugersdorp, coastal. That doesn't quite add up, geographically speaking.
Exactly, and that's kind of the whole point, isn't it? It makes you stop and think. Our goal here is to figure out what this article means, how these homes are even possible in Krugersdorp, and why they might actually be a really smart idea. We're focusing on the big pluses.
Right. So first things first, what does the article actually mean by affordable coastal entry-level properties in Krugersdorp? It's not like there are beaches there.
No, definitely no beaches. The article uses coastal more, metaphorically. It's about homes that give you a certain feeling or lifestyle. Think access to nature, outdoor activities, maybe a more relaxed community feel, things people often want when they look for coastal places.
Okay, that makes sense. And entry level, that just means priced right for first-time buyers,
Yeah.
right? Smaller places, perhaps?
Exactly. Perfect for singles, couples, maybe small families just starting out, making it easier to get onto the property ladder.
What's fascinating here, I think, is the opportunity the article highlights. It's not just about being cheap. It suggests these homes let you tap into that desirable lifestyle and offer potential for, say, rental income, like holiday rentals.
Interesting. So the article gives an example, right? Something about the Krugersdorp Game Reserve.
Yeah, exactly. Imagine having a home near there. You get that closeness to nature, that peaceful feeling. It's not the ocean, but it gives you a similar kind of escape. Okay, so that's the what. Now the why. Why Krugersdorp? Here's where it gets really interesting. The cost factor. The article really hammers home that Krugersdorp is much, much more affordable than traditional coastal spots in South Africa. How does it square that with the coastal lifestyle idea?
Well, it's about value, isn't it? Relative value. You're getting some of those lifestyle perks, the outdoorsy stuff, the community, but at a fraction of the price you'd pay in, say, Cape Town or Durban. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the rental potential is key. The article argues Krugersdorp is becoming its own attraction. So you could potentially rent your place out, maybe earn some income, but your initial cost, your investment, is much lower.
Makes sense. And what about just living there? What are the lifestyle benefits mentioned?
Oh, loads. The article talks about things like water sports at nearby dams, hiking trails, outdoor dining, that sort of thing. Plus, a strong sense of community, friendly neighborhoods. That's often a big draw for coastal towns too, right?
Definitely. And the article looks ahead too, doesn't it? It mentions future developments.
Yes, that's crucial for the investment side. It points to things like upgrades to the N14 road corridor and a big planned development called the Krugersdorp Gateway.
So the idea is that these improvements could boost property values down the line. Makes it potentially a good long-term bet.
Precisely. It suggests you might be getting in early before things really take off.
Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Did the article spotlight any specific areas within Krugersdorp? I remember seeing Muldersdrift mentioned. Known for nature, right?
Yes, Muldersdrift gets a nod for that natural beauty, that escape from the city feel. Then there's Krugersdorp North, which is apparently growing quite fast. Lots of development happening there.
And Weston area. What was the angle there?
Weston area was highlighted more for value for money, getting a good deal, essentially.
And the article suggests these places aren't just houses in the middle of nowhere. They have amenities.
Oh yeah, shops, schools, places for entertainment, community events, all the practical stuff you need is there too. It's that mix, the lifestyle opportunities and the everyday convenience that the article argues makes Krugersdorp a compelling, if unexpected, choice.
So wrapping this up, what's the main takeaway? It seems like this revolveestate.com article is presenting Krugersdorp as a really unique opportunity. A chance to get a taste of that sought-after lifestyle, the one we often link with the coast, but in a place that's actually affordable and has its own unique benefits.
Absolutely. It really flips the script on what coastal living could mean, especially from an investment and lifestyle perspective, which, raises an important question for you, the listener. What could your life look like waking up in a place like this? A community with that relaxed, nature-focused vibe, but also representing a potentially smart financial move.
Something to think about, for sure. If you want to dig deeper into these specific properties and the ideas we've discussed, remember to check out the source yourself. That's revolveestate.com. Definitely worth exploring if this has sparked your interest.